Hi, my name's Ray Wiggan. I work for Site Manager. We recycle lithium. We do a packed to powder concept. So the reason for us using Conveyor, we've worked with them over a number of years now, and I must say any order that we've placed, they've come in a timely fashion. They're suited for all our processes that we have here in Western-super-Mare, and we're just very impressed with them. We found that their Easikit conveyors are so versatile and so easy to use and set up. We've always gone with these kind of Easikit solutions just to save time, and you can set them up within an hour, which is really good. So our relationship with Coveya has been over 2 to 3 years now. I've got a close working relationship with Winston, who is in the sales, and it always comes up trumps to find whether it be a used conveyor in a very good condition or something brand new to suit all aspects of any process that you may want. Here's your guy to talk to. Yes, I would definitely recommend Conveyor for any other companies. We will continue to use them. We've got massive projects going on in Europe and worldwide even. So we're looking forward to working with them closely for other processes and setups in plants all over Europe, hopefully. They're a very good company to work with. I wouldn't work with anyone else just because they're just on the ball and you get what you want and the service is brilliant. I can't say no more.